So Yi, you just showed me something that's flying in the air above our heads right now. Why don't you explain what the Zerotech drone is?
Yes, this is DOBBY pocket drone powered by Zerotech. It's a small, smart drone, weighs only 7 ounces, and it's perfect for everyone to take aerial selfies as well as the aerial photography. It's really easy to use, so you can control the DOBBY pocket drone through your app by your smartphone. Yeah, so although it's very small, it still combines best-in-class technology like target tracking, facial recognition, and auto-track short videos. So it's very good for the drone beginners because it's more budget-friendly. Now it's retail at $399 US, and you can buy this DOBBY pocket drone in Best Buy and Amazon, B&H.
And it's got a 4K camera on it, right?
Yes, it can capture 4K camera, yeah.
And 30 megapixels, is that what I heard?
Yeah, that's right. And the video is 1080, yeah, full HD video, yeah.
And it uses facial recognition, so it'll actually follow you based on your face?
Yeah, that's true. So for the indoors, we usually use the facial recognition. If you walk towards to the drone, it will backwards. So that's the cool part, I think. So for the outdoors, you can use the target tracking. So the DOBBY will follow you, yes, to record, your movement. It kind of lesson, yeah.
And I assume your software is smart enough to prevent it from flying away.
Yes. So it can automatically fly away. You can zoom out to record you and your friends as well as the surroundings, and it will automatically fly back to where you taking off. Yeah.
What kind of range does it have? How far will it go before it'll come back?
Okay, it maybe will go as far as 100 meters, and it can fly 50 meters above the ground. Yeah.
So it's safe. It's something that you can use without getting an FAA license or anything, right?
Yes, it's safe, and for now it's no need to register because it weighs only 7 ounces. It's really compact and small, and you can take it to go with you everywhere.
And it fits in your pocket.
Yeah, right. It just folds to fit into your pocket. That's why we call it DOBBY pocket drone.
Excellent. Well, Yi, I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.